What's good, crypto warriors? If you're grinding those charts like me, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're about to dissect this XRP beast on Binance. And trust me, it's got more drama than a Marvel crossover. For our US crew tuning in from the coasts to the heartland, this is your wake-up call. XRP ain't just surviving. It's plotting a comeback. No dry TA breakdowns here, just raw energy. Real vibes and that frog to Phoenix energy turning heads. Let's ride this wave. Fast forward to November 13th, 2025, and XRP's flexing at $2.435 USD, up a juicy 2.68% in the last 24 hours, shaking off that low of $2.3166 like yesterday's FUD. High touched $2.5264, with 208.8 million tokens flipping for $508.03 million in USDT volume. That's Wall Street level action. Folks, not some sleepy altcoin nap. Those candles, a mix of red flags and green rockets, dipping from $2.57, but clawing back with bullish hammers that scream, buy the fear. Zoom in, the orange EMA, 7, at $2.4635 is your frontline soldier, curving up like it's got places to be, while the green EMA, 25, at $2.4511 and purple EMA, 100, at $2.4198 are stacking like a safety net, daring bears to test them. This ain't random noise, it's a battlefield. Price is dancing in that $2.3166, $2.435 trench, with Bollinger Bands squeezing like they're prepping for an explosion. Upper at $2.3597. Lower hugging support, SARS chilling neutral. AVL steady at 70, but volume. Those blue and orange bars are spiking like a heartbeat on espresso. 148.89 million tokens traded, with 5-period MA at 10.42 million and 10-period at 9.09 million. Down south, RSI at 36.61. That's oversold territory begging for a squeeze, not screaming panic. But whispering whales are lurking. MACD's DIF at 0.0141 over DEA 0.0188. Histogram flipping positive at minus 0.0046. Classic momentum shift, baby. The bears are gassing out. And that yellow line's about to cross bullish. Real street smarts. XRP's been battle-tested this year, grinding through SEC echoes and macro storms. But now, whales are stacking like it's Black Friday. Over 90 million tokens outflowing from exchanges in weeks. Per on-chain T. Communities buzzing on X about that Canary XRP ETF, XRPC, dropping today on NASDAQ. First spot ETF under the 1933 Act, already eyeing $26 million in day one volume. Add the US Gov shutdown drama wrapping up, and risk-on vibes are flooding back. Ripple's partnerships in Asia and LATAM are lighting up the ledger like fireworks. Death Cross, yeah, it's lurking bearish short-term, but history says these setups flip to 400% pumps when ETF cash hits. Broader markets got Bitcoin chilling at 100K plus. Fed whispers of rate cuts. XRP's built for this, as the swift killer with real utility. All right, the crystal ball drop, short term, next 7-14 days, with ETF inflows and that $2.55 support holding like a boss. I'm calling a surge to $2.70, $2.90. That's 11 to 19% upside on pure hype fuel. Bears push, we dip test $2.35. Prime for a rebound by end of 2025. Bullish heat. Targets from $2.78 to $5.05 if adoption explodes and ETFs pull in billions. Echoing that 2017 moonshot, worst case, hovers $2.40 on macro chills. But that's your DCA moment into 2026. Strap up $3.50, $4.50 base, pushing $5.08 peaks on institutional waves and CBDC tie-ins. Potentially 2-3x from here if the ledger becomes global plumbing. Dream big, $10 plus if it mirrors past cycles. But DYOR, Uncle Sam's watching those capital gains. XRP's chart, it's a thriller sequel down but defiant, with ETF rockets locked and loaded. US fam, time those trades smart for tax season. And remember, this is vibes, not advice. What's your XRP play? Hodl to $5 or flip on the pop. Smash like if you're bullish. Drop predictions below, share with your trading squad. And let's link in the next vid to the stars, XRP holders, or at least to that next resistance break.